to my channel. Today I'm just going to be reviewing some palettes that I have. I already did my makeup for today, so I'm not going to be uploading a makeup tutorial. So what I'm going to do is go over my Morphe palettes first. The first one is 350S, and it's all shimmers. I love it. It's really pretty. I like the oranges and red tones in there, and it's really good for its money. The next one is the 350M, and it's all mattes. This one and the 350S I got as a bundle, shimmers and mattes. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but it was a bundle, so it was a cheaper price than if you bought them individually, and I use them both all the time. Now the last Morphe palette that I have, I actually broke it when I was going in here. As you can see right here, it is shattered, but this is the 35T. And it's all pretty much dark purples and dark golds, some dark maroons. I don't use that one as much, but it is still really pretty. And then I also have the Morphe brushes, as you guys know. So that's all the Morphe I have, besides some lashes. So next I'm going to do the Urban Decay palettes. I have two of them. I have the second and the third one. So the second one, it is golds and some darker colors. I don't use this very much, but I mean, they're really pretty. So like I said, I don't really use it that much, but let me show you. See, I mean, it's really pretty. It's just one of the first palettes I got, so I haven't really been using it. The next one is the Naked 3, and that one is pinks and purples, and it's just like the first formula. It's really soft and pretty. The packaging, it's cute. I like the third packaging better than the second. The second one is just kind of boring to me, not a really pretty color. So next I'm going to do the Laura Geller. I got these as a set. They're just little mini ones. I have 4 of them. So the first one is this green packaging. It's called 3095. There's a tan, gold, and dark. And these I don't really use. I do like Laura Geller as I do like her company, but these ones, they didn't really have the pigment that I like. I mean, the pigment was there, but they don't really spread as well as some high-end eyeshadows. So the next I have is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. These ones, as you can tell, I use a lot. I hit pan on 3 of the colors. They're really pretty. The only thing about the Modern Renaissance is that the colors, they're a little darker on your skin than they are in the palette. So that's the only thing. Next I have the Makeup Revolution. These are the colors. They're really pretty, but they're, I mean, it's like drugstore. So they're really pretty, but they don't really work as good as something high-end would. They don't really blend that well, and there's not really really good pigment on it. So some other drugstore I have is Wet n Wild, and this is actually my favorite black. This right here. The other colors are okay, but that black is really good. I have another drugstore Runaway Glamour eyeshadow. These colors, it's a light blue, bright blue, dark blue, purple. They're amazing. It was like $3 and it's really, really good. You would think it would be like a high-end small palette. So next I have the Huda Beauty, my most expensive palette, $65. Gorgeous colors. Really good formula. I'd say it's just as good as Juvia's Place, but Juvia's Place, you get a palette this size for a lot cheaper. Okay, the last brand I'm going to do is Juvia's Place, of course. I have the Masquerade by Juvia. These colors I use all the time. I like more pigmented, brighter colors. And this is my favorite, look at that. It's gorgeous. It's my favorite palette. I use it all the time. And that was just one of the colors. They're all like that. They're all bright. So the last one I'm going to do is another Juvia's Place. And this is the Saharan. And again, gorgeous bright colors. So let me swatch one of those. I'll do the pink. So that's one swatch. Stop. That's one swatch. So it's amazing and it's not expensive at all. It's perfectly priced. They're the best palettes I've ever had. They are for women of color. So you get a lot of pigment there. They're amazing. They're beautiful. So if you guys want to know what my favorite palette would be, or my favorite brand, it would definitely be Juvia's Place. He really just hopped in the bathtub. He wants a bath. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my favorite brand would be Juvia's Place. They're amazing. If you want to know what palette I want to get next, I actually want to get, let me see. Hold on one second. I actually want to get this brand, I forgot what it's called. It's like a bakery type. I forget what it's called, but also Huda Beauty, the people that I want to get the palettes from, I want to get their foundation and concealer and try them out because Jeffree Star loves them. But the people actually that I'm talking about, I forget their name. It's something bakery, but they are actually in a kind of dispute with Huda Beauty because Huda Beauty put out a flower powder design exactly like theirs. So that is the tea on that. So those are all the palettes I have for now. Like I said, hopefully I'll get some soon and I can review some more. Just let me know what you guys will want me to review and I'll go get it. I can review highlighters, eyeliners. I can do whatever you guys want, so just let me know down in the comments what you want to see and I'll definitely get that up for you guys, okay? Thank you for watching as always. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and I'll see you all next time. Thank you.